Hey there, thanks for stopping by. Today we'll be driving south on I-15 in southwestern Utah in beautiful 4K Ultra HD from my dashcam on my 2020 trip out west. You can view more awesome 4K videos like this on my channel and help make more videos like these possible by just clicking that subscribe button. Right now, I am driving south on I-15 from Cedar City to our final destination of this day in St. George. If you missed any of this day that saw us drive through some amazing Utah scenery and national parks, check out the playlist this video is a part of. Also, before you go, be sure to leave a comment or a like to show me you were here. I love getting comments and interacting with you all, so make sure to at least just say hello. So while you're saying hi, hitting that like button or that subscribe button if you haven't already, I'm going to continue cruising down I-15 to St. George, Utah. that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. In the next video from this trip, we'll be starting a new day that will take us to Zion and Bryce National Parks while driving to Salt Lake City. So make sure that you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.